Let me guess, you think you've heard it all before, but you've been lied to by every Tom, Dick, and Harry. This is a monkey. See these golden handcuffs? In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how this monkey and these handcuffs can teach you how to cut your legal budget in half. How to cut your legal budget in half in 60 days. Hey, it's Philip here. And let me ask you this. Are you sick and tired of bad business deals and shit partnerships? And do you wish you could change the business structure where the workload is not all on you? Or are you looking for ways to run your business smart with better agreements and partnerships? If this sounds like you, then you're in luck. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the single most exciting business opportunity on the planet with you. Sound good? Excellent. Now, before I reveal this, let me first say that it's not for everybody. I have to be ridiculously selective about who I share this with, for reasons you'll understand in just a minute. But first, let me show you what I'm talking about. 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. These are from businesses that have used our legal services at Online Legal to help their businesses get out of lawsuits, avoid major issues that would have cost them tons of money. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, all the way. Now, before I tell you exactly how we achieve these results, let me briefly explain who I am and why you should listen to me at all. My name is Philip, and I'm a world-renowned expert in business and civil law, especially in litigation. I'm also the founder of Online Legal, the leaders in legal services for business. We help business owners like you stay profitable and stay out of court with minimal time, minimal effort, and minimal frustration. I am passionate about helping business owners do this because I'm an owner. I know it's a lonely and tough process, and I want to help others grow something that can outlive themselves. And here's what I mean. Online Legal began in a dramatic flurry. I had passed the bar exam and had to move out of my apartment the very next day. I drove all the way across the country with everything I owned packed up in a small car and tried to start a new life from East Coast to the West Coast in California. Everything was closed due to the pandemic, so I began working on Upwork online, freelance. I remember even the bathrooms were closed at like McDonald's and stuff, so you couldn't even go to the bathroom. Everything was closed. That evolved into making over 200K on Upwork with a 94% rating. I then created this company to help business owners grow themselves. You want to grow and scale a business without legal troubles and want someone based in the USA to help you get your business set up properly so you don't break any laws or get sued. Here are 5 examples of how we help businesses in the past. Number 1, we helped the business owner get out of a bad partnership where he was doing all the work. Number 2, we helped the business owner change his contract from a non-valid to a valid waiver, saving him millions in possible lawsuits. We caught a contract clause that opened an owner to lawsuits in the millions and was able to change it. We've set up real estate holdings, reducing taxation by up to 40%. And we've appealed business zoning ordinances, saving clients hundreds of thousands of dollars. I grew up on food stamps and welfare with a single mom with 3 kids. We often didn't have food or shelter, but I got out of that and my legal education helped a lot. I saw my mom, a struggling business owner, try to hustle and grind, but it never worked. I learned from her mistakes and saw that hustle has its limits, and there's a bigger system that rich people use to take advantage of everyone else, like business structure, taxes, contracts, partnerships, etc. I spent 7 years in colleges studying law and more, and spent over 140K on school to get educated on these legal matters. I saw my friends creating businesses and getting destroyed by the economy. They did not use these business structures and legal strategies to grow their businesses and were stopped short by unforeseen lawsuits and people ripping off their IP, etc. Business owners are often getting bamboozled by swindlers and fraudsters who also stole from me while I was in law school, getting over 10K from me in a scam. I was pissed as I worked all summer cutting lawns for that money, and I swore to help the innocent. Since then, I have earned over 200K on Upwork, helping hundreds of business owners, and worked for large law firms, honing the legal skills, seeing how the largest corporations structure and shield themselves, and also how they go after others to increase their own influence and avoid legal issues. All using the method I discovered in the beginning, which I'm about to share with you. I know this might be hard to believe, or maybe you think you could never do this. However, virtually anyone can repeat my success using my proven legal business strategy. Now back to that monkey and those golden handcuffs. Just like a monkey throwing its poop around and looking for something to hump on, we as owners often are very primitive in our approaches. Owning a business is exhausting, and so many owners overlook legal concerns completely and barely have time to even balance their budgets. Golden handcuffs represent the convenience of mediocrity that has you handcuffed to a mediocre life, addicted to the conveniences and the status quo. The person who got you here won't be the one who gets you out. You see your business as a cash flow operation. Others see it as a way to steal from you, legally or otherwise. I will show you the mind of the fraudster and the swindler so you can avoid their traps. And I guarantee this is not like anything you've ever seen or heard about before. So pay very close attention, because this could be the big break you've been looking for. Here's the scoop. This proven strategy allows you to get profitable and structure your business to avoid lawsuits and scams, so you can scale your business with predictability, minimal effort, and minimal risk. This is what we do day in and day out at Online Legal, and we've done it for hundreds of business owners just like this. You see, at Online Legal, we get winning business results with the right contracts, the right agreements, and the right structure for our clients every time. For example, we write your waivers and policies so any employee who is injured will hopefully not be able to sue you, and because it's not going to be your fault and they're going to have been given notice of all the dangers. We do the tedious legal research for you so you don't have to do it yourself. The treatises, the secondary materials, the scholarly journals, the case law, the statutory law, the binding and persuasive authorities, we read it all so you don't have to. And we go deep, deep, deep into the research. Very particular on the details. We have industry connections and partnerships, which mean you get better prices, especially in California. We have everything you need in-house for your convenience: personal paralegals, legal assistants, and USA-based paralegals with years of experience in USA business legal matters, especially in California. We use our expertise to reveal money-saving opportunities for you: contracts, lawsuits, and partnerships, and beyond. With a big arsenal of contracts we have already written, we can help you make sure your contracts think about things that you haven't even thought about, being 10 steps ahead. And we go digging deep for the case law to protect you. We go deeper than buried deeper than the Egyptian gold. Our clients win in court. We take care of everything to save you time, money, and frustration. Weekly meetings to discuss with the paralegal are also available. Many of our clients have doubled their profits in 60 days with our help, all without spending time or money on attorneys. So scale your business without risking a cent. And by the way, you may be thinking, I need this done right by a U.S. attorney, not someone from India who does not know our laws. Well, I don't blame you. I used to think the exact same way, and I still think that way. And then I discovered an untapped market for paralegals in the USA to interact directly with clients, saving them tons of money. Or maybe you're still worried about spending money without the results you want. We have a money-back guarantee. All you have to do is ask, and you get a full refund if we don't get the results you desire. Or are you still concerned with confusion about who can answer my business questions? Many business owners do not know they have a legal issue. They just know things suck as they are, and a change could help. We help businesses who don't have a legal budget get legally compliant fast and with no risk on the buyer. Are you beginning to see how easy it can be for you to get your business headache resolved using legal tools? My proven strategy is this: new and completely unique, super simple to use, very convenient, highly predictable, hugely profitable, And best of all, my team and I would love to do this all for you. And I'm so confident we can that I'll even guarantee it. Here's my promise to you. There is no risk as our money back guarantee has no strings attached. Just ask and it's yours back. In the unlikely event we don't achieve your outcome within the agreed time frame, we'll return every cent you've invested with us. Hassle-free, no questions asked. Want a no-risk way to find out more about how we can help you? Let me show you. For a limited time only, you can claim a free, no obligation 30-minute session with one of our legal experts. We'll discuss your individual situation, what your goals are, and how we can help you achieve them with our proven system. We'll also cover a stack of valuable information together, including how you can get legally compliant in your business in 30 days, what you should never do when structuring your business agreements, contracts, etc. We can open up your contracts and look at them on the call as well. This can get as hands-on as you want to. So use this 30-minute consultation. It's totally free. And 3 common mistakes that business owners make that sabotage their success. Remember, there's no cost or obligation to move forward with our service afterwards if you feel like it's not for you. But a word of warning. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme. This is for legitimate people who are looking to get profitable and are willing to do all the little things to make that happen. You must also be willing to follow instructions and not be difficult to work with. We have a strict no asshole policy. The last thing we want to do is invest all our time, energy, savvy, and know-how into someone who's lazy, annoying, and are unwilling to follow instructions and take action. If you can agree to that, and this sounds like the opportunity of a lifetime, and it is, all you need to do is click the button below and book in your call. Now, this call will not be a sales call. It's simply a free strategy session designed to see if we're a good fit and, more importantly, provide value to you in advance. This call is simply about finding out if you're a fit for this or not. If you are, we'll give you all the details, including the investment required to get started. If not, we'll politely and respectfully let you know it's not a fit. So in short, what I'm offering you here is the chance of a lifetime. A way for you to finally achieve a profitable, functioning business without operating illegally or getting taken advantage of or missing out on opportunities to run your business much more profitably. But please note, this message will be seen by thousands of people, so way more people will apply for this opportunity than we have slots for in our calendar. I'll be awarding positions to people who qualify on a first-come, first-served basis. So don't waste any time and click the button below now and fill in your details to secure the next available session. Do it now. Lastly, I'd just like to say, this is truly a rare opportunity to be free of legal worries. And the way I see it, you've got 2 options here. First, you could forget about everything I told you today. You could go back to doing what you've been doing, and you'll get what you've always got. And let's face it, if you were happy with your current business setup, you wouldn't be listening to this message now. But you are listening to me, and that tells me you're ready for a change. If that's true, then doing nothing makes no sense. You've got to take action. Your second option is simple. You can bite the bullet and just accept that to be profitable in the fastest time possible, it just makes complete logical sense to get a proven roadmap from someone who's already guided tons of businesses to where you want to be. And avoid the mistakes by going it alone and simply hoping and praying you'll make it to the promised land. To get started, all you have to do is simply click the link below this video right now, schedule a call to find out if you qualify. So if you're ready to finally achieve legal compliance in your business and profitability without legal troubles, click the link below this video now, and I'll speak to you soon. See you.